Hello, I'm Akshay and today in this video, I'll show you all how to install WordPress locally on your computer by using Local by Flywheels. It is essentially a website development tool which allows you to create a server on your own computer where you install WordPress. So let's get started. To download Local by Flywheels, go to localwp.com and you'll be redirected to this site. Then click on download button. Choose your operating system, put in your first name, then your last name, and then your work email address. You can choose to ignore phone number and then click on Get It Now. Your download should begin shortly. I'm gonna cancel my download because I already have the software downloaded in my computer. As you can see, this is it. Now run this exe file. Click on next. Click on install. Your software will be installed in few minutes. That's it. Click on finish. Now it will open up the software. Now give your website a name. I'm giving it my own name. Click on continue. Now there are two options, preferred and custom environment. I'm gonna go with preferred to keep this tutorial simple. Now put in your username and WordPress password. Make sure you remember these two things because it's required to log into your WordPress website. So make sure you remember your username and password. Click on add site. Your website will be added in few seconds. It's downloading WordPress. That's it. As you can see, my website is added. To check if the site is up or not, go and click on open site. It will open up your Chrome. There it is. As you can see, the website is hosted on your local computer. You can click on admin, then put in your username and the password that you chose earlier, the one that I asked you to remember, and click on login. That's it. This is your WordPress backend dashboard. This is your WordPress front end. And from this is where you'll build your website, build and develop your WordPress website. Now there are a few things that you should know about this software. If you wish to add another site, let's say you're working on multiple projects at once, you can do so by clicking on this plus icon. If you go to settings, you can change the appearance. You can change your preferred site defaults here. I always keep it preferred, but you can change it. You can change the theme from light to dark. I'm gonna revert it back to light. Yeah, so there's something called as live link. If you click on it, on the option of live link, what the software essentially does is it hosts your site on internet. So anyone with this link with an internet connection can see your website as long as the software is running. That's pretty cool. So you can essentially host your website on this server. Although I don't recommend it, but it's a good feature to have. I'm just going to go ahead and disable link. This is where you'll stop your website. If you click on that button, it will stop the website. That's it from today's video. So this is how you install WordPress on your computer.